Hello, Ralph here, NoizeBusters. Today we have a present for you guys. And if you're a member, you can download that present for free. Or you can buy me a coffee or get a Patreon and download it from there. So let's dive in and check it out. What you see here is a polygrid where I have 3 oscillators modulating each other. And then we have different parameters to play around with. So in the default setting, it just generates random FM or let's say phase modulation sounds, because it's basically a phase modulation synth. Instead of FM, sounds similar. So if you switch on the ARP, you have you press one note and it constantly generates notes. Then we have like a random decay modulator here. You can change around with the pitches from the different oscillators, so you get different effects. And then if you press this quantize button, you can actually play it as with notes. And for different flavors, you can change the FM range here. Then you have a filter. And also there's a sample and hold modulation here, which you can switch on here. And some reverbs and delay. So if you like it, download it and have some fun. Bye.